Hi! So today's another unboxing. So today my Birchbox has arrived. This is the first one that I've done back, and I actually look on my account and I think it was like 2017 that I cancelled. It were all to do with like when I got pregnant, you know, I was saving money. But now I have it. So let's do an unboxing. Right, I'll open it up. And which is weird because I used to remember them having like a drawer, but this one's like a flip one. But I don't know if they're all like that or not. So this is what it is inside. Oh, it's got a mirror on it. So yeah, it's got a mirror. Hold on. Does it have a film on? Oh, it has a film. Woo! So it's a proper mirror. I thought it might have been one like, and then plasticky ones you get. Right. Ooh. Looks a bit like a fun. It's a bit like one of them fun, you know, like when you go to a circus, it's one of them funny mirrors. Yeah, it's not the best of mirrors. So this is the little leaflet you get inside, and it says "You're a Gem," April 2019, and obviously it gives you details what's inside, and I will give you a little information about the sneak peek nearer the end of the video. So let's have a look. What I'll do is I'll put my little bits and bobbles on there so I can see what prices it are. So first thing I've got is this. Ooh, that's fancy packaging. So it's from Estate Birchbox. It's Dew Me Baked Highlight Powder. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So I've got this purpley sort of highlighter, and I've never highlighted in my life, but I don't know if you probably can't bloody see that because I'm in my own shadow. Can you see? Yeah. So to be fair, I'll probably use that more as like eyeshadow, like a little bit of a shimmery eyeshadow. So that's really nice, and the RRP on that is £10. Wow. So the next one I have is the POREFESSIONAL Pore Primer by Benefit. This is just like a sample size, but I do love this primer. This primer is really good. The big bottles are £28, and I can't remember how big they are. So I'm trying to look at like there. To see what it was, but it just says the RRP is £28 for the big one. Obviously this is just a little sample, so I'll save that for later. Next thing I have is Diamond Eye Brightening and Depuff, made with real diamond and caffeine extracts. Which is that? Love the packaging. Woo, that's so pretty. So the RRP on this is £4.99. So I might use that tonight. Very nice. Then we have the POLAAR night cream, revitalizing cream with boreal algae. Ooh, a bit weird. Let's have a smell. And the RRP, this is obviously just a sample size. The RRP for the full one is £28.30. Ooh. Don't smell it out. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then the last thing I have in here is the Daily Concepts Multifunctioning Soap Sponge Charcoal. Exfoliate and detox balance for all skin types. Now, I'd like to see if this actually is for all skin types, because I really do struggle using soap. I have to use liquid soap. I don't know what it is in soap that has a really bad reaction, but it like strips my skin of all oils, and it is so, like, if I went to do that with my hands would like, there'd be so much friction because I couldn't move my hands. So I'm hoping I can use that, because if I can, that'd be really good. And the RRP on this is £6, but I don't know if that's a full. I'm guessing it's a full size. It doesn't say any different to say it's not. Oh, sorry. No, it doesn't. It doesn't say. It just says it's got a 4+ star review on Birchbox. So I don't know if that is actually full size or not. So yeah. And then I've got in the bottom here a £15 off to Monica Vinader. Is that how you say it? I don't know how you say it. And the code for that is Birchbox15. So I'll put that code as well down in the description box for anybody who wants to go check out. Because that does look really pretty, that jewellery. So I'll put that in the description box. And it says here, enjoy 10% off full-size products in this month's box as one of our Birchbox Benefit Plus. Once you've received 6 boxes, you'll get 15% VIP discount. Oh, pretty cool. So, it's sneak peek time. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is for next month, look away. Just don't look. It is this. So I don't know if you can see. So it is, you can pick from Lord and Berry, and you can pick, well, I don't, oh yeah, you can pick, sorry. So you can pick from the Lord and Berry pencil. So you can either get the Ultimate Lip Liner, which is in the blendable lip pencil in Vintage Rose, or you can get the Line Shade Eye Pencil, Long Lasting Eyeliner in black. So you can get a rose coloured lip liner, or you can get a black coloured eyeliner. I will probably select the black eyeliner because, as you can see, I wear a lot of eyeliner, and I don't tend to wear lip liners, so yes. But yeah, I'm really happy with this box. I'm looking forward to trying out some of those products, especially the eye mask. I can't wait to see what the eye mask, how that, you know, is. So I'll maybe do a review on some of the products, see how I get on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.